Yan, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo. Sa today's vlog, today's video is magpunta tayo ng renewal dito sa British Columbia ng auto insurance. Usually binibigyan tayo ng renewal reminder.
Yeah, boy.
So, 1 week before ng mag-actual expiration, kailangan natin pumunta. And then, you can have an option of paying it fully for 1 year, which is does not have an interest. Pero pagka mga 6 months, monthly, pagka nilagay mo sa debit, may ano yun, may interest. So we're gonna try to do maybe 6 months, pay it full para sa credit card para may makuha tayong points. Yun ang kabutihan ng pagbabayad ng credit card, kasi may mga points which entitles you to buy free groceries or points for travel and something like that, right? So yun. Yan, may mga ulap. Kaya hindi natin makita yung si Haring Araw, King of the Sun, King Sun. Haring Araw, King Sun. Yan tayo, on the way tayo sa Superstore para mag-renew tayo ng insurance sa car. Dito may ano na siya 309 ang kanyang baka makakuha din tayo ng pagka less than 10,000 a year, yung ganyan pagka nag-renew ba, meron kang kilometers insurance discount, parang pagka less than 10,000 nata per year ginamit. So yan, i-ano rin natin, i-avail natin yung, alisin natin yung pollution kasi luma na naman yung ano niya, yung the car is 2005 but still works okay, right? So pag brand new, kailangan fully coverage, but older cars, it's optional. Yeah.
What's wrong with the car? It's still insured, but we're not able to use it. Is anything wrong with the car, you know?
Is anything wrong with it, or like if it will take right, if then the ICBC will decide like total loss, not at fault,
No,
and
no.
they will decide the
I
money.
mean, like mechanically, not
Mechanically,
through
yeah.
accident.
Yeah,
Not through accident.
whatever, like if the mechanically it should be 1,500.
Yeah, because you pay the full year, and then if it gets broken within 6 months, right? And then the other 6 months you already paid for, and it can be rolled over to a replacement, right?
Yeah, then they will refund you not the full amount, but some.
Yeah, that's processing fee and everything,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah,
yeah, so we'll just get the 4 months.
Yeah, the 4 months. Yeah, no problem.
Itong advantage dito sa sa Superstore, pagka nandito na yung mga Filipino food din, South Asian Filipino snacks nakalagay. Puto. Yung ating may Horlicks, Ovaltine. Gusto ko to. Nahanap namin yung chia seeds eh. Ayan, chia seeds.
I guess so.
Kinuha yan eh.
Chia. This is
Oh.
quinoa.
Chia seeds. Yan, napabili na kami dito. Yung mga specialty, $1.28 isa. Dati 99 cents lang yan. Order tayo ng McDonald's. Unahan ako ng nito. Mas nauna ako dyan eh.
Hello, welcome down. I'm sorry, collecting points.
Yeah, I ordered online.
right? You can drive. Okay.
Thank you. Ayan, nililinis agad nila.
Luke, just
Tax dollars at work.
both of you guys. Okay, can we just talk and relax? I feel like there's a solution that can make everybody happy.
You're right. We all just need to relax. Ricky.
And ayan ang kapaligiran natin. Snow, ano naman siya, wet snow, hindi siya yung, tsaka hindi masyado malamig na malamig, hindi masakit sa kamay. Ang temperature is natin ang temperature +3, ano, +3. Sundo tayo ng ano, ng anak natin. Tayo maghatid sa PSME. Yan, may pag-asa kaya dito sa Canada na magkaroon ng masaganang buhay pagka nagkaroon na ng pipeline. Pipeline ba o pipe dream lang to? Ina-align ng current Liberal government na MOU na, no? Ang pagkakaano ko yung ano lang, parang kasunduan lang of understanding, parang ganun eh, mutual of understanding, MOU. Tingnan natin, lalagay ko dyan kung anong ibig sabihin ng MOU, pero walang date specific. Tapos nakalagay pa ron na parang 130 ang carbon tax para dun sa industrial. Sabihin nila credit, sabihin nila for using the air. Ganyan. Ang air Canada is a land, and ginawa na rin nilang, tinaksan na rin nilang sinasabi na pag-pollute, but where can you put yung mga emission? It's all in the air. Yun ang kanilang pinaparusahan o tinataksan. Tax is it's a punishment, right? for like, if you tax something, you pay for it, so it's like a punishment for you, but something in return has to come back, because you're like paying it, so the government can put some programs para sa mga taxpayers. But you know what they're doing? They're sending it to different countries. Ukraine just received 235 million. Sinasabi nila restructuring because sinisisi kay Putin yung war, right? So but yung mga problema dito inside ng Canada, like homelessness, drug addiction, they're not even investing on those. Sabihin nila nag-invest sa housing, but they didn't even start anything yet. Wala, puro promise. So yun. Sa immigration naman, ayan, nagbabawas na sila sa ginawa nilang problema from the previous immigration minister. Ayan, tapos sinashuffle nila ngayon yung kanilang cabinet. So yun ang nangyayari sa Canada, no? So it's just delaying everything. So na-elect si Prime Minister Carney dahil sa pananakot nila, fear-mongering sa tariff ng Amerika. But before then, hindi pa nagsiserve si Trump ng pagka-presidente. Ano na nila, no? Parang tinatak nila, kaya na ang kalagayan ngayon ng Canada is because of Donald Trump. So nag-react si Vice President Vance ng United States na it's all because of your fault. You currently elected those officials. More than 10 years na liberal ang namumuno sa gobyerno, but I think everything's gotten worse. Mga forest fire. I don't remember having any forest fires like around 2013 when I got here. And then until 2015 naging ano sila yung in power. So mga 2017 nagsimula yan, no? Kasi they're not doing the controlled fire, yung mga dried leaves. So pinabayaan kasi gusto nila wag daw isunog, gusto nila manually tanggalin. So sino magtatanggal nun manually, no? That's a very hard labor. So hanggang sa any ignition, like any upos ng sigarilyo or anything na kidlat, it can just spark the forest fire. Pero meron din mga manually made. I don't know who did all that, but they don't even investigate anymore. They just let it let it go. So yan, Jasper, hanggang ngayon nag-aano pa sila, no? Nagre-recover. Yung mga temporary foreign worker doon, nakita ko sa Omni News Filipino edition na they're still trying to recuperate and trying to move into yung sa bago nilang tirahan. So I don't know kung may support from the current government sila. So they're still working, yung mga chef, yung mga hotel cleaners and staff ay mostly Filipinos, I think. Even yung mga banda, yung nakilala ako nagpunta doon from galing St. Albert ata yan, something. And then punta siya sa Jasper para maging PR, may banda siya, tapos dito siya naging cook siya rito eh. And then I don't know where he is now. So ayan, laban lang sa buhay Canada. And the retirement is in my mind dahil ano na tayo, nagland na tayo ng 50s eh. But the earliest you can get your CPP is 60, but that's just very minute or small, parang pocket change lang yun. Kailangan meron ka talaga investments. TFSA, max out your TFSA. Thinking of using our equity sa house to max out our TFSA and pay off our debts. So if you guys have anything na ma-advise para sa ganong klaseng, if you have done it before, then please put a comment. I would love to read your comment and reply to it. So yun, ang ating buhay Canada. Yan, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa shorts, no, i-unbox natin, dumating na yung Osmo Nano. I-unbox lang natin, tingnan natin kung anong mga accessories na mga lang, couple minutes ago dumating. Hinintay ko pa eh. So unbox tayo dito sa mismong sa labas. Naka t-shirt nga lang ako eh. So ito yung box. Maliit lang siya. Nawala eh. Yan. Ayan yung Osmo Nano. Gawin natin itong maganda itong pang vlogging. Yung mga plastic, kailangan i-keep natin, huwag natin pakalat-kalat. So yan, ang liit lang oh. Teka, sabi niya low battery, 52% pa naman dito. Yan lang natin dito. Palitan ko na sana. Tinignan ko 52% naman, bakit nagsha-shutdown. Ayan natin. Nag-ano siya. Ito, bagong battery na to. Nagsha-shutdown mag-isa kahit 52%. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung camera. Kasi magnetic daw siya, pwede siyang yan, maliit, parang dalawang size ng thumb mo. May internal na siya, SD card na I think it's 128. Tapos meron siyang pwede mo ilagay dun sa sa vision dock, pero only to transfer from here to over there. Well, hindi siya yung mismo pag nag-record ka eh. Yan. Yun. Ganda. So, yan no. Merong lanyard data to eh. Yan. May USB to USB-C. Wala yun ano. Saan yung lanyard? Wala siya yung sa ano. Ano meron? Saan na yan? Yun. Sa ilalim. Yan yung lanyard. So yan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces. Yan. Hindi ko mabuksan dahil hawak-hawak ko yung camera. So yan na. Subukan natin to for our next vlog. Yung ginagamit kong ano, parang selfie stick. Ayos. Yan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a notification bell click so updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Okay? Ayan, just to point out, you have 5 times na skip mo para hindi ka na mag-register. Kung gusto mo lang try out muna for now 5 times. Tapos but you cannot update the firmware, so I'm gonna just register because meron naman akong DJI Mimo account sa Mimo account. Yan. Either sa Android or sa iOS. Okay?